8 mistakes to avoid when using vinegar for home cleaning. 1. Don't use vinegar on your marble and granite countertops. According to research studies, vinegar can actually wear down natural stones such as granite and marble. Although it will cleanse your countertops better than mild dish detergents, it also eats into the stone, and repeated cleaning will eventually break down the surface, causing cracks and crevices. 2. Don't use vinegar on egg stains. Vinegar cannot clean out egg spills for the simple fact that it causes the egg to coagulate. This makes the stain more difficult to remove. 3. Do not use vinegar to clean internal surfaces of iron. According to experts working research studies in cleaning products laboratories, vinegar has the potential to damage internal surfaces of iron. Never pour vinegar to freshen or clean out internal surfaces of iron, as this will increase the chances of corrosion, clogging and rusting. 4. Vinegar is not perfect for all hardwoods. Some manufacturers suggest the use of vinegar to clean certain sealed hardwoods, and there are testimonials to suggest that it does a beautiful job. However, there also exist complaints about damages to certain hardwood finishing, which calls for precaution. 5. Vinegar is not for all stains. Stains like ice cream, grass, ink and blood will generally not get off by using vinegar alone. Such stains set into the fabric much quickly and do not respond to the weak acid in vinegar. It is therefore advisable to first treat the surface with a pre-wash solution before you consider vinegar. Otherwise, you risk damaging your fabrics. 6. More vinegar does not correspond to cleaner surfaces. If you use more vinegar than required, you are much more likely to corrode and damage the surfaces you are cleaning. It may seem cleaner at first sight, but the damage will gradually increase and its symptoms will be soon visible. 7. Never assume vinegar will replace other cleaning agents. Many times, people tend to think that vinegar and baking soda will replace the other cleaning agents and do the perfect job, which is never the case. Vinegar cannot replace any cleaning agent, as it is ineffective on its own. 8. Ignoring safety precautions. You should always be vigilant about safety precautions when dealing with vinegar and any other compound during cleaning. Vinegar has the potential to cause skin, eyes, and nose irritation. You are also likely to mix it with other cleansing agents such as baking soda, thus increasing the risk.